Hi guys, welcome back to Unboxer TV. This is Ahmed, your host on Unboxer TV, where tech is exposed. So guys, this is a highly requested video of how to get free products to review from Amazon.in or .com. I am residing in India, so I'll just check out the Amazon.in website. So guys, without any further delay, let's get started. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel Unboxer TV, make sure you subscribe, and if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you don't like it, dislike it, and if you like it very much, then please subscribe. That's it guys. So let's started with today's topic: how to get free products. So search for your product. I was just checking out for a mic because this mic is not the mic which I use is not too clear, I think. So let's just check out for the lapel mic for YouTube. Lapel mic for YouTube. Just search for that, and I'll just check out some cool one. Let's go down. This one looks good. Let me just open it, and when you open it, you just have to copy the URL. And now just go down. I have just copied it. Right click and click copy, and now go down to help section in the last lower end of the page. Click on help, and in this help page again go down and click on go a little bit up, click on customer service, and now over here click contact us, and in this page click Prime or something else, and over here tell us more about your issue. Select just a second, I'll tell you. Now select promotions and deals, and in the next one select other promotion questions, and enter short summary of issue. What do you say? Supply of, write this in caps lock, free products, again small letters, for review. Supply of free products for review. And now let's go down and click on this recommended average wait 12 to 24 hours. The Amazon team will reply to you in 12 to 24 hours. Now just click email, and in this section this was the issues you filled in, and now enter additional information. So just type in, hi sir or madam, I am your YouTube name, your name. So I'll just type in, I am Adnaan-Ahmed. So I am Adnaan-Ahmed. I have a YouTube channel. Write this in caps lock. YouTube channel by name Unboxer TV. Unboxer TV. And then so I was just follow this. I'll just not read it out. So I was what do you say, interested free products from Amazon to review them on my channel. My channel URL, just type in your channel URL, youtube.com/unboxer TV, and the product URL, in bracket write which I want to review, and just give the URL which you had copied, just paste it over here, and then this may work for some people and may not work for a very few people. So this absolutely works, but sometimes it may work or not work. So I can't guarantee that, but this has worked for me, and the mic which I use has also come for free from Amazon.in. So guys, if you just send this email, you will get a confirmation that thank you, your email has been sent. If you would like to check the status of an order, track a package, cancel or your address, change your password and much more, please visit your account. So I'll receive a reply from the Amazon team within 12 to 24 hours. So let's wait for that. And guys, you will surely receive free products from Amazon by if you follow this method. And if you like this video, and if you found this helpful, make sure you like this video and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel Unboxer TV, and don't forget to watch all my videos regularly and hit the bell icon for more notifications of my uploads. So guys, Adnaan-The signing off. Meet you in the next one.